Wait, we need some lights. Check this out. I mean, different camera angle, different spot, but I mean, it worked, right? It worked. Yep. Nope. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? My name is GrkYgrt, and today on the channel, I'm going to show you guys my updated 2020 setup. And I know 2 months ago I uploaded a video on this, so I won't be showing everything in the room. You guys are more than welcome to check out that video right here. This has been a highly requested video, and I'm super excited to show you guys what we got going on the new setup. So yeah, let's get into the video. So from the last time I did a setup tour, I did not have any of these LED wall lights, and these ones are kind of dying. I have to replace the batteries. But I did not have any of these wall lights, and they've literally made my room look like a totally different bedroom. And I don't know, it looks great on stream. They both show up. They like show up on the sides of my heads, which is very, very cool. But other than that, I don't know. They're just there, and they look really awesome. There's actually 3 parts. This is one part. And then this is a 2-part piece with the lightning bolt and the cloud. So I'll link everything down in the description down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. But they light up your room very nicely, along with these LED lights that I've had. But you know, they're nice. They're nice. We got the masks. We got like the fan controller. Of course, it's where he stays. It's always a mess up there because that's where I go and grab my props for the dance-offs, which is a whole experience within itself. I always keep my actual peripherals and stuff in that drawer and down there as well, but the final thing that I've added as a piece to my streaming collection is this green screen. And yes, it may look like a random thing I keep on the floor, and to be honest with you, it probably is a random thing I just keep on the floor. But other than that, all it does is it fully comes up to about goes up about 6 feet or something like that. I usually just store it under my bed when I'm not using it, but I thought I'd just show you guys. It's a very just long black thing on the floor. Bed's still the same. I actually made it this time. I have lights behind my bed, so it looks kind of cool. And then other than that, here's the main part of the setup that I've actually like thoroughly changed. If you guys watched my last video, you can see that I did a review on my Secret Labs Omega. It's a super comfortable chair. You guys probably have seen it several times. In relation to my last video, this is actually an upgrade. So I did upgrade my chair, obviously. If you guys watched my last setup tour, you can see that I had a totally different chair. It was comfy, but not as comfortable as this. And this is my favorite chair I've ever sat in ever. And I would highly recommend it. Inside the scene, we have an i7 9700K with a RTX 2080. As well as 16 gigs of RAM and like a hard drive and an SSD or something like that. I built it myself with a friend, and it's my favorite PC I've ever owned, so it's very, very cool. As well as some Astros up top here. And a quality little baby Yoda, dude. Another thing that has changed from last time I did a setup tour is the keyboard, dude. This is the M Pro 2. I did a review on that also on the channel, which I'll link on one of the corners up here. But it's a fantastic 60% keyboard that I can't recommend enough, and yeah. And it comes in white. And I put the HyperX pudding caps on top, so it just emits the light even more. And it's also Bluetooth, which is kind of crazy. So yeah, I'll put a link for that in the description down below as well, so you guys can check that out if you want to. So this is an angle you guys never see. This is the reverse angle of what you see on stream, and I know it's very dark, which is why I'm probably not going to be here for a while. But I just wanted you guys to see the ring lights that I have. So I have 2 ring lights, and I believe this one is a 6-inch, and that one is a 12-inch. I have this one emit like an orange type light, so when it's on my face, there's like 2 different colors, and it doesn't look extremely bland at all or anything like that, so it's not just one color. So this one has like the whitish light, and this one has the like type orange like hue, and I like it a lot more because it can show more definition in your face. Oh, you guys can also check out the wallpaper I use for Wallpaper Engine as well. Look at that, it's Mario. I have my monitors very split for some reason. but I like it a lot. Just Mario chilling at the beach. It's kind of where I want to be right now. That'd be fun. If you guys want to go to the beach, I want to go to the beach. What the heck? He looks like he's having a good time, just chilling. Yeah, but other than that, I'll show you guys what I have on my actual desk as well. The second monitor is actually a upgrade from the last setup. I only had one monitor, and the desk is also different too. The desk is an L-shaped desk. I'm not quite sure how long it is, but it could easily fit my school laptop, my second monitor, which is 27 inches, and my main monitor, which is 27 inches. So it's a pretty long desk, and having this little L cubby like right here is perfect. So when I'm sitting here playing the game, I could just easily look over and it's angled right towards me. I'm extremely fortunate to have a second monitor because transitioning from an iPad to a monitor is such a different experience that it's insane. So if you guys are streamers or content creators or anything like that, or just like gamers in general, I would highly, highly, highly recommend getting a second monitor. It makes your productivity life so much easier, and I would extremely recommend it. From left to right on my desk, I will go through what I have. So on this side, I have my MacBook Pro, and this is usually what I do my homework on. It is really fast and reliable, and it's super easy to just do homework and sit on the couch and just relax while I do homework and not always have to be sitting at my desk, which is fantastic. Right next to it, I have my AirPod Pros with a little doggy on them. The feeling of walking around without a headset on your head is extremely useful, and I would highly recommend it to any streamers out there, or gamers in general, who can deal with a very small amount of audio like input lag or anything like that. It's not too bad, but if you're playing like FPS, like shooters like Valorant or Overwatch or anything like that, invest in a good pair of headphones. But other than that, if you're a streamer and you don't really mind about input lag or anything like that, AirPods are the way to go, I promise. These things are amazing. You will need an adapter though on your PC if you don't have a Bluetooth integration in your motherboard and stuff like that. So, yeah. Moving on to the next thing. Next to the MacBook Pro, we then have my two Logitech speakers, which I'll also have linked down in the description down below. And as well as you can see all the way back there, I have spare duct tape for who knows why, but duct tape comes in handy, dude, I promise. We also have a Xbox One controller, just in case, chapstick, just in case, my kazoo, just in case. You never know when you'll need a kazoo, I promise. And then my two kind of fun glasses that I wear on stream, and my tech deck is back there as well. And I was also asked what that is. So I have the tendency to forget what my homework is. As you can see, there's my homework schedule, and that's literally all it is. And oh yeah, how could I forget, dude? So my stream deck is very, whoa, no, don't do it, don't.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
No,
you can't
why?
get into it because they would never understand.
No. You will be missed. So this is my stream deck, and behind all these different moving Mario GIFs, there are also different buttons. So behind each one of these tiles there is a button, and right now I have it moving as Mario, and you can put whatever GIF, image, or anything like that you want as the face of the icons. So over here I think I have like my media buttons somewhere, and then like Spotify or something like that. But when I press this button, I have all my streaming stuff. So I press this button, all my streaming windows pop up on my screen. We also have Plane 9 right here is what I use for my dance-offs, and my starting screen. Voice mod is essential for sure. This right here takes me directly to my Twitch, and this right here is my main broadcasting center. So whenever I get a follow, I press that button, rapidly punch my camera in the face, thank them for the follow, and continue on the stream. This is probably my most used button, the punch button right here. And yeah, right below that we do have the PC game that picks up any game on my screen and broadcasts it to Streamlabs OBS. Below that we have What, which is my face cam zoom in. To the left, obviously, it's the full face cam. Above that is desktop cam, which shows my main monitor, my desktop monitor. To the left of that, we have the 3 media buttons. Above that, we have all of my sounds, literally all of them. Right here, we have the start, end, BRB, pause, whatever. More media buttons, go live, record, the voice mod, whatever. And down here, I just have the chat commands. So other than that, and this records my Xbox, or like my Elgato in general. And some more scenes right here. But other than that, that's literally all I use my stream deck for. My stream deck is probably the most useful thing I have on my desk in general, so it saves my life, trust me. It makes streaming like 10 million times easier, and if you're a streamer, I would highly recommend getting one of those. I also did a top 5 things that every streamer should own. You can also check out right here if you want to. And yeah, I would recommend checking that out if you're interested in purchasing some streaming gear, maybe for the holidays are coming up, so yeah, never know. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I probably won't be doing one of these for a long time, only because I'm pretty sure I won't be upgrading it anytime soon, and if I do, I'll just let you guys know on stream or anything like that, on Discord, whatever. It'll probably be an internal thing. But guys, the RTX 30 series cards are out of stock till next year. What do you mean, dude? What do you mean they're out of stock till next year? Anyway, I don't need one. You don't need one. We don't need one. You don't need one. You should also like and subscribe. And maybe follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/GrkYgrt. I stream every day except for Wednesday and Sunday. I'll leave the link to that down below as well as our community Discord, where you can always post where you go live. You can always ask questions about streaming and stuff like that. We have a great community Discord, and we all just like to help each other out and have a good time. So if you guys want to join that, go for it. Anyway guys, that's been it for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye!